In the world of power, trust is a dangerous thing. Friends can turn on you, while enemies may serve you better than expected. Welcome back to our series on the 48 Laws of Power. Today, we uncover the secrets behind Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. This law teaches us that while friends may seem reliable, they often come with hidden agendas. Enemies, on the other hand, can be more straightforward and may work harder to gain your favor. Never underestimate the power of using your enemies to your advantage. Practical example, the backstabbing friend. Imagine you start a business and decide to hire your best friend. You assume loyalty is guaranteed, but soon your friend feels entitled and begins taking liberties with the company's finances, ultimately betraying you. The trust you placed in your friend backfires because personal emotions got in the way of sound decision-making. The value of enemies, the story of Henry Ford and James Couzens. Now let's look at how enemies can be valuable. When Henry Ford started his company, James Couzens was one of his fiercest critics, but Ford saw potential in Couzens' knowledge of business and hired him. Over time, Couzens became one of the most important figures in Ford's empire, helping the company succeed beyond Ford's expectations. By turning an enemy into an ally, Ford gained a powerful asset. Key points on trusting enemies over friends. Here's why enemies may serve you better than friends. Enemies have something to prove, and enemies often work harder to prove their loyalty because they want to change your perception. Friends, however, may become complacent, assuming your trust is unbreakable. Enemies are clear about their motives. With enemies, their intentions are often clear. They want something from you, and you know what to expect. Friends may harbor hidden motives, which can lead to unexpected betrayal. Enemies are less likely to take advantage of you because of the formal nature of an enemy. Per an ally relationship, there's less emotional baggage involved. Enemies approach the relationship with more caution and professionalism, reducing the risk of being taken advantage of. Overall approach, over-trusting friends. Over-trusting friends can lead to your downfall. They may take your kindness for granted or feel entitled to your success. Many successful people, including powerful business leaders and politicians, have learned the hard way that trusting friends too much can result in betrayal. The right approach, using enemies to your advantage. On the other hand, by keeping enemies close, you not only neutralize their threat, but also gain a motivated ally. Enemies often seek to prove their worth, making them work harder and more loyally than friends who feel secure in your trust. Continue.